Hello. Yes, hello. Am I talking to Jen Modo? Yes, please. How may I help you? Oh, I thank God so much. God, thank you. So I'm talking with the real Jen Modo that I watch on YouTube. Yeah, I'm the one. Oh my God. Today my problem has come to an end. So 3 years ago, me and my woman, everyone we could do to she could do squid. But nowadays, 2025, since it began, she's no longer squitting. Please, Jane Modo, help me. I will pay an amount. What exactly should I do to make her squit? Please help me. Because when I don't see squitting, oh my God, I don't feel like I did Ototwa. Please help me, madam. What's up, my handsome kings? How are you guys going? Karibu Enisana. My name is Jane Modo, your number one host, the one and only. I don't know why I'm laughing, but those are the kind of calls I get. Some of the kings they approach me on my email in the description. So we normally talk like sisters and brothers. So after talking, not some of them they have my numbers. Everyone I gain that trust on someone, I be like, oh, this one it does not see me the way like some people think I am. Here we are doing sex education. At the end of the day, people think you are, for example, a sex whore. Anything they tell you, just accept it to it. I am not that type of a person. If you expect me to meet you in a public place, we go to lodge. I am so sorry to disappoint you. Hey, what exactly are we learning today? Today, I want to teach you the assured way and techniques on how to make a woman squeak. Karibu, and sana. My name is Jen Modo. Kindly, if you're seeing me for the first time, consider subscribing, share, and leave a beautiful comment in the comment section. What exactly should you do to assure that sweetness, to assure that that water is spilling out, to assure that you see it spilling out? Most of you don't know even what we call squitting. Jen Modo, squitting is when shall the spamululu has come. No, that is not the truth. Squitting is not when the spamululu has come. So when the woman is squitting, like for example, you had already done what I'm going to tell you. Now the machine is inside. Now she's squitting. That thing is spills like colorless, like the way you see water. To like, have you ever seen like when the king is peeing, like is peeing? That's how that thing they borble like that. But this one, everyone they see she sometimes like when you get a bald woman, she will tell you, baby, fast go away. Then she squeak she squeak. Oh. So it depends. I don't know how your woman squeaks, but the best way of getting the best squeak when everywhere is not stimulated, you be like, baby, fast go away, fast roll up. I am so sorry to tell you for the truth, but our very first point, we are going to be talking about preparation. What is in the preparation? Part of preparation, or what is in the preparation, is to make sure that your woman is happy. You have to make Jen Model happy during the day. Everything starts from zero. Don't think that you are going to do preparation when we are in that room. Most of you are taking these things like for granted. When we are talking about preparation, you think that you lie Jen on the bed and you start doing your romance. That is part of preparation at its extremely a climax. Those are you are about now to reach where you are going. But we are talking about zero level here. Preparation. Make sure your man is happy. Make sure her mental health is at its right state. That is the only way how you can assure these things. Then after that is when you can bring these other things that I'm going to be telling you. Our point number 2, identify the type of V your woman is having. So we have VA and we have VB and we have VC. VA, this type of V is the one for the virgin one. VB, the type of semi-virgin one. Those one who have tested some, but they're almost like they are virgin. And we have VC, those ones we have the showers, that is VC. After you have all identified this, because if you don't identify this, I am telling you, my brother, there is nothing you are going to achieve like squitting. All this comes after all these things that I'm talking about. That's when you can get the perfect squitting ever. Now you have identified she has a VA or she has a VB or she has a VC. After identifying all these things, now it is time for now. Our third point is teasing. You have already known the type of V Jane Modo is having. Now it is time for us teasing. When you, the same way you are teasing a woman who has a VA is not the same way you tease a woman who has a VB, and it is not the same way you tease a woman who has a VC. That is why I say that all women are not the same. So now you are teasing a woman who has what we call she is a virgin. I urge you, and I will urge you this in the comment section to all of you, that when you are teasing VA, you are supposed to go there with your, why? To avoid her from getting hurt even before the Mr. Machine goes in. Do you know that when you go down there with your finger, she can get actually hurt? Because these women, they are really very matty. They are really very matty, very small inside there. So you have to be very, very careful. So the only best teasing for them in this case is to go down there with them, not with your finger. Even though your fingernails they are cut, it is not proper. Go down there with your, that one you are teasing VA, it is going to stimulate down there, and since this woman is a VA, she will get a little bit of, her body will shake like there is something. Then we are talking about VB. When you are going with VB, that's when you can use your fingers. But make sure that your fingernails are completely cut off and they are short to its normal size. So as you are going, you know, the VB is the same virgin ones. So you are teasing VB. So VB, when you are going there with your, these people, make sure that you put a little bit of VA. You don't need a pillow anywhere here. So VB, make sure you put a little bit of pillow, a hard pillow, just a little bit around her bum, like she's lying in that missionary way. Sorry, around her bum. Make sure you put that pillow just a little bit, not the way you are going to do to a shower. So why are you putting this pillow? You are putting this pillow so that the clear extends, so that when you go there with your finger, you can touch your knee. When you touch your knee, that's when a woman really gets stimulated down there. She's like she's on fire. So we go to VC. This is the showers. These ones you can even use two pillows if the pillow is very soft. You can use two pillows if the pillow is soft. If the pillow is hard, you can use only one pillow. Make sure when you put the pillow under her bum, how this way is a little bit pushed a little bit up. It is going to help you to bring that clear nearer, because if you don't put these things, the clear of these women who are showers, they are a little bit far and you might not touch anything. And when you don't touch it, don't expect any squitting. Don't even expect her to reach the G. Are you guys getting the point? So you have all known the type of V, you have identified the type of V, you have known the type of teasing you are supposed to give them. Now we go to choose the best style. Now all these things of teasing, the extraordinary foreplay, they're all done. Those are the part of teasing we are talking. Dirty talks, they are now done. Everything is now done. Now we are going to that point whereby when we have done all these things, when we put our machine inside, we can see the squirting, all that water is spilling out or coming out. Choose the best position ever. For example, you are going down with a woman who's VA. Missionary will do here 100% best, because this is a beginner. She does not know anything about utongo sauce. She's just there, Woludo. She's just going to try. So this position help those people to for trying, because it's the intimacy that it gives. It can give that shallow, a little bit, not deeper intimacy that we are talking about. We. Then we are talking about same V. You can still use missionary style, but with the pillow in her buttocks. And let me finish. Then we go to VC. VC, you're going to use doggy in this case. So let me go back to VB. VB, you are going to use missionary, but with a pillow on her buttocks. And make sure that when you're inside there, make sure that your Mr. Machine is surrounding, touching all corners inside the woman. That woman is V. What is the advantage of this? The advantage of this is for overstimulation of the part of the V area inside there, so that it gets more overstimulated. When inside there is overstimulated. There is a way immediately the woman starts feeling like something burning which is coming, and that is when she will push you away and she will be like, oh babe, fast, oh. That is when you see that, because there is overstimulation down there. Even after doing the teasing, after doing the foreplay, when the Mr. Machine is there, it must be 100% saluted, whereby when it touches every corner, we really feel it. You know, these things, they are meaty-like structure, so there is no way you will fail to feel it when it has it, and the veins are really getting that enough blood. Are you guys seeing it? You will feel very, very beautiful. I am 100% sure at the end of the day you will get this woman squid, because you have done what you are supposed to do. You have done it all. You have done it perfectly. You have done it all. The moment you do beautiful preparation, you do that beautiful teasing, you do that extraordinary foreplay, do everything, you will get these things. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you guys so much. I remain as Jane Modo, your number one host, the one and only. Kindly share this video and make sure that you comment down below. What do you think about today's video? I've answered your question, so I don't think you're going to call me again. Hello, Jane Modo. Bye bye.